So hello guys, welcome to my first YouTube video, which is going to problem solving of lead code, which is question number one of the lead code two sum, in which we have to find the target value, which we will find out by adding two numbers which are present in array. So to find that particular two numbers, we have to go through indexes. For that, we should use loops. So for that, one loop cannot be solve this problem. So we have to use nested loops, which basically means using two loops. So let's start. First, we have to find the size of the array, which will assign to for a particular value, which will assign the value to the particular variable name n. So the name of the array is nums, and to find the size of the array, we use nums or size. And now we will start the loop from 0 to the size of the array, and the increment will be 1. And then for the nested loop, we will also create the same loop, but it will not start from 0, but it will start from I plus 1. Basically, if we are using I plus 1, because if we use from 0, then the same two values will be added, and then it will find the target. So basically, it has no basically importance for that, because we need two different indexes. So it will start from I plus 1 and goes till n, and the increment will be j plus basically 1 by 1. Now we will apply a condition and check from 0 to n, that nums I of plus nums j is equals to target. If it is happening, then we need to print return I and j. And for empty, when there is no particular answer, for that we use return statement, empty return statement for to print an empty value or something like that. So here in this condition, it is basically checking that first of all it is nums of I. So first basically I is initially 0. So it will check 0 at 0th position. It is here. It is 3. So 3 plus I plus 1. So 0 plus 1, because now we are calculating as per 0. I is equals to 0. So j is equals to 1. So 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2 is equals to 6, because here target is 6. So it is not true. Then it will go ahead, and the loop will incremented by 1, and the I now is 1, and the j is 1 plus 1, 2. So it will check 2 plus 4. So it is 6. So it will check that 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. Then yes, and then it will print the indexes. So let's check the code is running, or there is particular error or not. So code is perfectly running. Then let's submit it and see the runtime. So runtime is 33 ms. So basically, our problem has been solved very good, in a good way. So basically, that's for the first sum. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.